Vishwanath Anand.
The right answer. Maybe you have logged in from the two devices. That's why your sound is echoing.
Vishwanath Anand.
Okay, right answer. I think the three questions are over. One left.
Yes, sir. 3 are over, sir.
Now it's fine. Now score, ma'am.
Right, sir. So at the end of round 3, Sai College has answered all 3 answers correctly. So they have scored 3 points. SGT has scored 2 points, and MVN University has scored 2 points.
Fine. And what about that two teams, MVN and SGT? We have to ask more questions.
So we can have a tiebreaker if judges suggest that we can have a tiebreaker between MVN and SGT for the second position.
Please, sir. Sudhir, sir.
Yes, sir. We can have a question round, single question round for them.
Okay.
All right, sir. So we'll ask the first question to MVN University for the second round. Please remember, each team will be asked one question, and it holds a negative marking.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, the first question is, in the dope testing procedure, the urine specimen of the athletes will considered to be as rejected if option 1, it is not observed as a specimen. Option 2, if the specific gravity is more than 1.01. Option 3, if it has a pH between 4.5 and 7.5. And option D, if the urine looks too clear. Your time starts now. Yes, students, any answer? Any answer?
Don't know, ma'am. Don't know, ma'am.
All right. The time is up. SGT University. SGT University?
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please listen to your question very carefully. Arun is an athlete who decides to take up cross-country running. What type of training would be most suitable for this type of activity? Your options are gym training, second, Pilates training, third, circuit training, and fourth, aerobic along with treadmill training. Your time starts now. Time is up. Right. Again, The question will go up to MVN University. MVN University, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right. Now your question. Which of the following will be considered as a good example of personal protective equipment in order to reduce the injury for participating in an activity? Your options are a gum shield in hockey. Number 2, a protector in rugby. Number 3, a crash barrier for the crowd. And number 4, well-fitted training shoes. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, it's option A.
Right, that's the right answer. A gum shield in the hockey. You win a point. Next, SGT University.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. The introduction to helmet and face shields to ice hockey have resulted in decrease in the likelihood of which of the following injuries, except facial injuries, dental injuries, cervical spine injuries, and closed head injury. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, cervical spine injuries.
That's the right answer. Again, we come back to the MVN University. X-rays are diagnostically important for recurrent elbow instability because, number 1, they are associated fractures which cannot be diagnosed. Loose interbodies cannot be found. Associated arthritic conditions can be appreciated, and associated fractures can be seen along with arthritic changes observed. Your time starts now. Time is up. Right, SGT University. The most common cause of death on athletic field in young athletes is which of the following? Environmental injuries, cardiovascular diseases, head trauma, and accidents. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, please repeat the option.
The options are environmental injuries, cardiovascular injuries, head trauma, and accidents. Most common cause of death in
Cardiovascular injury.
Your answer is right. So you hold 2 points. So, sir, with this, we come to the end of the second winner, that is SGT University, followed by the third winner, that is MVN University. And the first winner is Sai University. May I announce the name of the candidate? The first winner is Sai University, Sai College of Medicine and Technology. And the students are Vaishnavi, Akanksha, Ankita, and Anjali. For the second position, SGT University Gurgaon has held the place. And the students are Kritagya, Prince, and Himanshu. For the third position, MVN University has held the place, and the students are Alpana, Kishori, and Kartika.
आपको नहीं मिला प्राइस? क्यों?
So congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations, Dr. Sudeep sir. Sir.
Sudipta sir, Sudeep sir, would you like to say a few words?
Well, it was a very nice quiz, and my best wishes and congratulations to the winners. And I should say that everybody who has participated is a winner. It is not about the position of getting first, second, or third. Participation is the main thing. So we should never give up hope even after not getting any position or rank, and keep trying again and again.
Absolutely. I truly agree. And heartiest congratulations to all the winners. You students have really done well, hold a lot of patience, and you maintain the dignity in the best way. Now I would like to request Dr. Himandri to please say a few words.
Congratulations to all students, and it was a very nice quiz competition. Thank you so much. Now I hand over to Dr. Vinod Kaushik sir.
So Dr. Jasmine, Dr. Sudeep sir, and the other judge who are here, all the participants. Very nice competition. It was really interesting for me. I was feeling I'm sitting in the KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati, what will happen? But yeah, today the Sai College has become KBC winner and the Sports Connect winner. Okay, thanks a lot everyone to be the part of this event. Thank you, Jasmine. Thanks a lot everyone. But thanks to the
Thank
Dr.
you.
Ma'am for organizing such a wonderful Sports Connect. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you to Dr.
Thank
Ruchi
you.
and all the organizing committee members. Thank you, Dr. Sudeep, for sharing your valuable time and support to cultural team of Sports Connect.
Most welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So with this, we come to the end of this
Quiz.
amazing, thrilling session. Thank you, everybody, once again, and have a wonderful night ahead.
After the wonderful quiz competition,